This could be tricky, taking down this big rotten tree. It's got this branch that's hanging over the neighbor's house. The whole thing is pretty rotten. I want to fell it out into the field there, so I might have to take out everything but that one to the left so that this has a place to fall.
So this is the giant tree that me and Jeff are cutting down.
Out of the way. From about here. About here. Start with my bottom cut and go up. Big axe. The mall axe.
The sun burns the ground. And my eyes feel the sand.
All right, let's stop there. Now we got a lot of holding wood here. Do the same thing on the other side, and then we'll keep as much holding wood as we need to until the last minute. As we go. I hear it.
It's cracking. You want to put a...
Well, let's put a wedge in right where you had the saw.
Yeah.
Because here we go. The big fall. Here we go.
There she goes, baby.
Yes, sir. And no houses were hit. High five. No houses were hit. Look at that.
Hell yeah.
Look at that. We steered it pretty good.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, nice. Now we have a lot of work to do. Okay, a quick word about safety. I did wear wraparound sunglasses, and I would normally wear hearing protection, but that was a battery-operated saw that was a lot softer than most. And as far as the safety of what we actually did, I studied the heck out of it. I've run a lot of saws, but I'm still nowhere near an expert. So I'll tell you how we did it, but I don't want you to think that, that's enough. You need to either consult with someone or study it like crazy. Once we got our really wide open notch pointed the way we wanted it to go, then the only way we were going to be able to go across a 24-inch with an 18-inch bar was to go in from each side. So if we had come from the back, then we would be working from side into the other side and then this side, and the hinge would be, who knows where the hinge would be, what condition it would be in when the tree gave. So I felt it was better to do plunge cuts near the hinge, work our way up to where we were satisfied with the size of the wooden hinge, and then move back that way. So I was shooting for a 3-inch hinge because you want about 10%, which would have been about 2.5 inches. But I didn't know the condition of the wood in here. It could have been rotten because we had dead branches falling off of this and pulling off with no effort. So I went for a 3-inch hinge, and I just about hit it, maybe even bigger. But then once we were satisfied with that, we would go this way with the saw, come around the other way and go this way until we got it to where the saw would actually peek through, and then we knew we could just zip it, and then it would tend to fall that way. And we needed just a little more persuasion with that one wedge, which was perfect because it went when we wanted it to go and it went where we wanted it to go. So it all worked out fine. I just wanted to say that that's the way we did it, and that's the way we had the luxury of doing it in an open field. If we had houses around us, I would never have tried to do any of this. So there you go. That's your safety message for the day.